Hi Vikings and welcome to this trade recap. Today at the AM session I was live with you trading the US 500 on my live account and the ES on our common demo account we do together. You can see here that we made a loss today with first I took a short and then I took a long, and the long went to our target, but first stopped me out. If I have chosen the NQ, we have been in a win right now, but it's okay. We can see both of them here. We had divergences on the lows here. That's why I choose the ES, because we had a higher low when we broke up and confirmed this bullish bullish order block here. So the bullish order block, I marked out the CE level, no, MT level, OB. I like to put the stop loss just below those levels, because that should be the line in the sand. It's quite aggressive, but I thought we will be fine there. On NQ we were fine there. The midpoint of this order block is here and we wasn't near it at all, so that's a bit frustrating, but it is what it is. I made an entry when we closed this green candle here. I let this one trade up, and when that one closed and went down a bit to this high of this order block, I went long there with the 930 open price here. But then soon after we were traded down to our stop loss, and that was it. I think it was a good trade overall. The rules were followed. I set and forgot it. I didn't tamper with the stop loss or took any profit too early, so it's all fine. I took the stronger indices. The target was quite nice. We have these equal highs here that we have been trading to right now. We also have this wick on the weekly wick CE level here, which we talked about at the pre-week analysis. So first we worked this CE level on the lower, on the discount level on the wick of the weekly last week wick, and we expanded from that and we moved up to the premium level, which was the last week wick high, CE level. It was together with this equal high, so it's perfect targeting. Order block, fair value gap on the smaller time frame. It was a great trade. We also discussed how we should react here when we closed this void, because if we closed it below here and we try to trade off, it might be bearish and goes for some equal lows down here. But now we actually closed the 915 candle here above this high of this void, so that made me convinced that we were looking for higher prices, together with these equal highs and the CE level of the weekly week. So overall a good trade. Unfortunately the stop loss was too tight this time. How could we do it otherwise? Well, if we don't use the MT level of the OB, we should probably use the closing price as a stop loss. It would be okay, but then the target would be higher. It would be about here. I have 2.25 as trading target, and that would be above the equal highs and above the wick CE, so that would be too high of a reach for this trade. Actually, I might not think that it's not has enough room. So I think this was okay. Something like this, yes. Well, that was the trade today, Monday. Tomorrow it's CPI, and we are looking for how price will work after that. CPI often gives us the weekly bias for the rest of the week, so I'm looking forward to let the CPI number come out. I might live stream that, and then we will see what kind of bias we have, and for opportunities we could take some AM session trades and get some wins this week. How about that? All right, I think that was it. Keep it real.